Alex Car Doctor, welcome back to another Diag video. This is a special one, guys. I actually picked this one up from my wife at the auction this morning. So I just got back from Atworth, about 40 minutes drive from me. So today's patient is a, let's see, '02 Dodge Ram, 160,000 miles. Let's see, let's get a look at this beauty. I actually picked this one out for my wife. Yes, this is one of my wife's for sale cars, and yes, I'm her trusty mechanic. So don't have no clue what's going on with it. We buy a lot of no runs. Well, my wife buy a lot of no starts because, hey, I can get them running. Let's look at the interior before I unload her. So somebody really liked their truck. They have these rubber floor mats. All right, so pretty decent. A little dirty right now, but hey, that's okay. We can clean that up. Those are the chrome covers for the mirrors. They was trying to fly off going down the road, so had to stop and get them. Well, one of them, and I just took the other one off. So by the looks of this truck, someone took very good care of it, because how I can tell, it has very good tires. A truck that has very good tires, meaning the previous owner really took good care of it and, you know, really loved their truck. And it has little upgrade stuff on it. That's another reason I know that it can't be too much going on with it. So let's pop the hood. I'll get the ratchet straps off now. Let's do that. So I'm not gonna bore you with this. Guys, I'm pretty sure you know how to pull ratchet straps off. So let me go ahead and pull these off, and I'll be right back. So here we go, got the hood popped. First impressions. Looked like somebody was trying to get some power out of this thing. Got a nice little cold air intake. Throttle body spacer. Looking at it, it looks pretty good. Like it has a brand new serpentine belt. All right, so what do I think happened with this? Well, let's check the coolant. Pretty empty. Ooh, it doesn't smell good. I smell combustion gas inside the reservoir. So looking around, this patient looked like it had some brand new parts installed. I see a brand new upper radiator hose, fairly new water pump. So I'm gonna call it, guys. This patient may need a head gasket. Let's pull out the oil dipstick. Well, let's check the transmission first. So, ooh, that's what I like to see. Look at that transmission fluid. So I know this thing shifts wonderful. Let's check this oil. If I can find the dipstick, there we go. Look a little watery. All right, so let me plug this jump box up and see if it'll turn over. All right, let's take another little look. Alrighty, so I know it don't have any coolant in it. It appears it has oil. Let's see what she does. Ooh. All right. 160. Eesh. Is my jump box dead? That doesn't sound too good. That sounds like it has no compression. Let me put a good battery in it. Maybe it needs a good battery. But as of right now, this head gasket sounds like it's shot. So, yeah. Doesn't sound too good. Doesn't look too good. All right, I got a fresh battery in it. Let me see, can I blow some of this water out? Yeah, it is very bad. This truck is not gonna start. So I'm probably gonna prescribe this patient an engine. So we're gonna look at an engine. Jeez, look how much water is coming out of it. That's okay about the tailpipe. Jeez, this engine got some serious water damage at this point. Alrighty. Alright guys, so try to start it up a little bit more. She act like she want to kind of start, but I didn't want to keep playing with her. I didn't want to burn up the starter motor. So I'm gonna speak with the patient's owner, which is my wife, and we're gonna talk about what we're gonna do. It'll probably be easier just to put an engine in here. Yeah, I think that'll be best. So I'm gonna price out some engines, look at total costs, and we're gonna go from there. But give you a final good look at the truck. Underneath looks really good, in my opinion. It even got a little aftermarket muffler on it, so it's gonna sound real good when you finally get it to run. New ball joints, so that's a good thing. Look like he just put brakes on it. New sway bar links, which is right here. Like it has new shocks. So the truck don't need much at all. Very good shape. I am very pleased with this buy. Just got finished talking to wifey on the Ram. I gave her the bad news. Well, not really. If you follow my channel, you know my wife do car flips on my channel as well. So you will see her making a video on this one. So make sure hit that. I get my buttons mixed up. Always. Notification bell. So you can, you'll get notified when every time we post a video, and this is gonna be coming up. So you're not gonna wanna miss this one. This is gonna be a good one. So we're gonna go the engine route. The reason being, anytime an engine gets overheated to a point where it doesn't want to crank and lose compression, and this one has water intrusion, it's just best to find another engine for it, and that's what we're gonna do. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that little walkthrough of the diagnostic process that I did on this, what is this, 02 Dodge Ram pickup truck. Like always, love you guys. See you guys on the next video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Alex Car Doctor out.